everyone, today I'm back with another video, and this video is regarding the doubts which is being faced by the some of the candidates who has cleared the third list. And when they go on the website of AIMS official, that is aimsexam.org, so they are having some doubts like the third merit list people. I have already put the video, so you can check that video also, where the PDF is available. Also the link is available where you can see that your roll number is there in third list or not. Now question comes like the third list candidates, they are feeling like one notice came and the notice number is 82 by 2020. So clearly this notice mention which was came on 26 June, that in reference to the memorandum of 2019, that 10/6/2020 of recruitment cell, to upload the document of e-document verification. So this is a document verification for the second list which were updated in the month of May 2020. So this verification will be open from 27th of June till 10th of July 2020 for the nursing officer, who all candidates are selected in the second list. So if you are not aware like your name is there in the second list or third list, do not worry, because in this notice itself they have mentioned their roll number, names also, who are called for the e-document verification. So the attached list is here. One more standard declaration is given, that is a form A, that all the documents which you are submitting are the original, and you have already read all the published notifications. Also the you know that you will be not breaching the or a false, giving any incorrect or incomplete updates. So here the signature candidate is required. Also you have to write a place and date. So this is the first form A which you need to fill and scan it. And second, if you scroll down, so they have mentioned what are the documents to be uploaded in case maybe. So scanned image of original certificate should be uploaded. So please don't use your photocopies, try to use your originals. So the first one which they have called is the proof of date of birth. Yes, proof of date of birth. It can be your 10th class certificate or a birth certificate. Second thing which they required is the educational qualification, where you can give your original, provisional degrees, diploma certificates if any is there. Also you need to be a registered nurse. That is very important. The registration certificate as grade A nurse from INC has to be taken, or simply a registration you can take it from your council. The fourth point was experience certificate if you are a GNM, because as per the eligibility the GNM should be having a 2 years of experience. So that has to be taken out. Fifth one is the no objection certificate, has to be taken if you are already working in any autonomous body like AIMS, any of the AIMS or any state government. The valid caste certificate has to be taken in any case like SC, ST, OBC, EWS if it is there. But for the OBC certificate or non-creamy layer certificate, they have mentioned that it should be either in English or it should be in Hindi, and it should be dated from 30th May to it should be dated from 30th. In next line if you see, it should be in the period from 1st of April 2019 to your 31st March 2020. So you please see your caste certificates, and it is very important for the third list people or candidate also who got selected. Please make sure if you are in the OBC category or non-creamy layer, make sure your certificates are in hand before joining. And yes, these are the some of the certificates. And now after exclusion of earlier selected candidates, the 62 candidates were considered against unreserved category. So the second list which came, so they have right now they have mentioned their roll number, their name, their categories is also given. So no need to worry for the third list candidates that when their document verification will come. Any of the notice if it is coming, I will be updating you from my YouTube channel. And yeah, please don't get into any rumors, any type of rumors, as we should be all as a YouTuber, we don't know what is the original thing. We can only wait for the notice to be came. So these are the candidates names, and their marks is also given, so they are called for the document verification. So that's all for the today's video. I hope you understood that we should not worry, we'll wait for the next notice for the third list if it comes or not. And hope you like my video. If you do, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.